What's up, guys? We are on another episode of Unbox Remedy. My name is Blake, and today we have a very special guest on the show, which is the new Fitbit Versa. If you want to learn more about the Fitbit Versa and see this unboxing, stick around to the end of this video. And while you're at it, why don't you hit that red subscribe button there and turn on your bell notifications to stick around on my channel as well. Pretty neat. It's pretty neat. But let's get right into this thing. I'm gonna try to get this thing out of here. Ooh, I like that. It just slips right on out. It's got the magnet. Respect. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Ooh. Oh yeah, I like this. Yeah. Look at this. All right, so we got the instruction manual. Don't really care about that too much. You know, nobody does, right? You know, raise your hand if you have ever read the instruction manual of anything you have ever bought besides a car. Who reads the instruction manual for a car? Is there one? Is there one? Anyway, yeah, we don't do that. All right, so it comes with, this is like half the wristband. It says large on it, so I'm guessing that it's just a bigger one than the one that this already has on it. So it comes with the power cube as well, but it does not seem like it actually plugs into the wall. It just is the USB cable that you have to plug into either your computer or to a power cube that you already have that plugs into the wall. Let's see here. Trying to get this thing out though. There we go. So as you can see here, these are the 4 different things that come in the box of the Fitbit Versa. Let's get into what we all came here to watch. All right. Okay, so I have set up this Fitbit Versa and it seems like it's pretty darn cool if you ask me. I downloaded the app to it and that allows me to see all the different, this thing is pretty darn interesting. It records just about everything about me. Gets my heart rate, counts my footsteps, how long I have been walking, how many floors that amounts to, how many calories I've burned today. A lot. This I don't even know what to say. I've never seen a piece of technology like this, you know. It tells me how much weight I've lost, I guess, how much I'm moving. Gives me videos I can watch that show me different workouts I can do. It's got a social platform on it where I can add friends and see what they're doing on their Fitbits and how fat and skinny they are. I don't want anybody to see how much working out I am not doing, you know? Some things are just meant to be private, you know? Some things I just don't want people knowing. But anyway, so you can listen to music, you can set your alarms, you can track your exercise. Begin a 2-minute breathing session. All right. That is pretty darn cool, guys. All right. I mean, even on the box, it's got a bunch of different things, different apps on this thing. Like, it's got female health tracking. What is female health tracking? Is that different from male health tracking? I wonder what that does. Ooh, it's water resistant up to 50 meters. I honestly don't have any idea what I would be doing down there at 50 meters under the water, but if you want to die, go ahead. You can do that. And this watch will still be working when you come up. You can call and text. It's got Pandora. There's a Starbucks app on here. So yeah, guys, like this thing is, I would classify this as a good, high quality piece of hardware. It feels nice. It looks nice. I'm gonna just put this on my wrist here and see what that, just to kind of show you guys, give you an idea of what it would look like. Shoot. I might need to put on this extra large band here. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. I gotta say, it seems like it'd be super convenient. It's kind of like James Bond. Yo, bro. Roger, Niner. We got a cleanup on aisle 9. All right, guys, so we have unboxed the Fitbit Versa. This appears to be a really cool piece of technology. This thing really seems like it would save a lot of time. Sometimes I'm doing something with my hands, for example, like cooking here in the house. I don't want to be touching my phone with my greasy hands, so it'd be nice to have a Fitbit, and it would definitely be a great companion to my smartphone. However, I do not believe that this would replace my smartphone, as the screen is way too tiny and I would just prefer to have this kind of as a backup for when I'm not using my phone or for when I have to set my phone down. It just seems very convenient to have. If you like this unboxing video, I'm going to link down below in the description a link to Amazon where you can purchase this product. Also, I would like to know what kind of products you guys want me to unbox next. Comment in the comments below if you have an idea of something that you would like to see unboxed on this channel. But yeah, I hope you guys liked learning about the new Fitbit Versa and have learned something new about it, or have perhaps been convinced to purchase it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.